Meaning of Florida.
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 Florida. Florida is a state located in the southeastern part of the United States. It was named by the Spanish explorer Juan Ponce de Leon in 1513, who called it Pascua Florida, meaning flowery Easter in Spanish. The name refers to the state's lush vegetation and blooming flowers during the Easter season. Florida has become known for its sunny beaches, amusement parks, and retirement communities. It is also home to unique wildlife, such as alligators, manatees, and panthers, making it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts.